Our third chapter is going on. Third chapter is valuations of the goodwill. Already I completed the chapter and exercise few sums I already done it here, and I have told you the remaining exercise practical sums you will try to do it at your home. This is the extra sums. It is not taken from your textbook or any other books. I made these sums from other books, either CBSE or ICSE board. I already told you that each chapter some of the exercise sum I want to give you. This is the homework. 5 questions I will give you. This is the chapter 3 valuations of the goodwill homework extra questions. I want to explain the questions. Questions I have written it. I will explain the questions. You will try to solve it. If not possible, let me know. The question number 1. From the following information, find out the value of the goodwill on the basis of 4 years. Keep in mind, 4-year purchase by proper average profit method. I have written it here, proper average profit method. Proper average profit method means either it may be the first method or it may be the second method. Either it is a simple average profit method or weighted average profit method. Keep in mind, simple average profit method and weighted average profit method both are called average profit, but one is simple and another is weighted. Which one you will apply, that depends on the questions. If the profit fluctuating is given, then first method. I already told, if profit is given throughout from the first to last, either it is increasing or it is decreasing, then second method. So I want to here proper, on the basis of taking decisions of these questions, you will take decision. The year 16, 17, 14, 15, 15, 16, 12, 13, 13, 14. When I read the year, you understood that it is not given in order. You have to arrange it. The profit 1,80,000, 1,50,000, 1,60,000, 80,000 and 1,20,000. The answer for this question is 6,16,000. I have solved it and I have done the answer. The answer I wrote it. Solutions you will do. Question number 2. Find out the amount of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase by average profit method. There also I have written average profit method. Which average profit method? That you will take decision. Here 16, 17, 15, 16, 14, 15, 13, 14, 12, 13. We have seen that one. The year it is not started from 12, 13, it was started from 16, 17. This is the nearest to your current year. Your profit 1,20,000, 1,80,000, 60,000 and 40,000. The answer for the second question is 2,80,000. Question number 3. Third questions, you have to apply the super profit method. How many steps are there in the super profit methods? 6 steps. Keep in mind. What is given here? Total assets of own farm is rupees 27 lakhs. Total liability 17 lakhs. Expected rate of return 12%. Last 3 years profit of the farm are rupees 1,20,000, rupees 1,12,500, rupees 1,57,500 respectively. Determine the value of the goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase of last 3 years average of super profit method. You will try to understand. Very easy questions, and the answer for this question is 20,000. I already told you the super profit is the third method. Keep in mind, this is the third method, and this third method you are having the 6 steps. Now this is the fourth one. Fourth one and fifth one also most important. If you make practice the extra sums what I have given to you, I am sure that it will be covered in your board paper. The fourth question it is given. From the following information, Find out the value of the goodwill on the basis of capitalizations. Capitalizations means fourth method. How many steps are you having? 5 steps of weighted average profit method. Be careful which method you are going to apply. Here 16, 17, 15, 16, 14, 15, 13, 14, 12, 13. Profit 90,000, 80,000, 65,000, 55,000, 1,000 and 50,000. See, my target is there every time to make you confused. But you don't be confused. Here also I have given, I started the year 16, 17, I ended the year 12, 13. Very important things, when you read the questions, that time you pay full attention on the questions, what are the data it is given and what are the data you have to collect from the question to complete the sum. That is the most important. The profit it is given, you see 90, 80, 65, 55, 50 gradually decreasing. So of course you came to know for calculations of the average profit, it is required average profit, both the methods, the super profit and capitalization profit, both the methods you have to find out one step, that is average profit. So here, when you find out the average profit, you have to apply the weighted average profit method because gradually it is decreasing. Additional information. What additional information is given? The first one, total business assets 7 lakh, total business liability 1,80,000, expected rate of return 10%, and answer you have to find out, that is coming 2,30,000. Expected rate of return, 1 second I have written it here. You have written you want. This is question number 4. The last question. Question number 5. Question number 5 you see, it is neither the super profit method nor the capitalization profit method, but it is given merge of third and fourth method. Capitalizations of super profit method. Capitalization of super profit method also we are having the 6 steps, but out of the 6 steps, first 5 steps are common of super profit. Last one step, it is something different. Find out the value of the goodwill of A and B firm as per the capitalizations of super profit method. Capitalizations of super profit method. The year 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17. The profit 60,000, 70,000, 85,000, 95,000 and 1 lakh. Here also profits gradually increasing. Additional information, total assets 12 lakh, total liability 5 lakh 50, expected rate of return 10%, and if you try and if you get the actual and correct answer, it should be 2 lakh 49. Students, this chapter I want to complete today. All the exercise sum of your textbook practical, you will do it in your fair book. Apart from that, the extra sums whatever I have given from others board or my own homework, homemade, that also you will write in your fair book. I think if you make practice these all questions, it will be covered up all the chapters questions also. Okay, bye.